In the heart of Georgetown, Penang lies a colorful burst of culture and spice.
Welcome to Little India.
A place where history hums through the streets, saris flutter in the breeze, and the scent of incense dances with the aroma of curry. In today's video, I take you on an unforgettable walk through this vibrant district where every corner tells a story, every storefront sings with color, and every bite tastes like tradition.
It's so cool.
Expect music, heritage, flavors, and faces full of life.
Got four beautiful girls here. Come on, this is Sachi, this is Sibyl, that's Pooja. Come, Pooja. That's Pooja, and that's my wife, the most beautiful wife.
She
I've ever
If
is.
you've ever wondered what it's like to step into a living mosaic of Indian culture right here in Malaysia, this is the video for you.
Indians are so beautiful, and then their attire is super gorgeous as well. Ooh, they've promised that if the food is not good, you don't have to pay. We are going to be exploring a lot today. There is so much Indian culture here. Look at the clothes. There is amazing Indian clothes here. Everything's so colorful and beautiful. And the food, woo, we are going to be eating some Indian food today. But let's just explore a little bit and then we'll find where to eat. This road is busy. This is a very busy road. We go over here. Nope, supposedly it's up one more to the right. Okay. Amazing Indian snacks. It looks so yummy. So there is a lot of shopping here. There are so many shops here. So if you want anything Indian, clothes, footwear, jewelry, I guess this would be the best place to come buy it. I'm guessing. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Mommy, I can secret கூப்பிடுதுங்க.
I just saw the most beautiful woman on earth. This Indian lady that just passed me. She is so like so gorgeous. Indians are so beautiful, and then their attire is super gorgeous as well. So they just look so good. We can hear some Indian music. Oh, this place is quite big. This is not little at all. This is so not little.
Yeah.
City goat. Good afternoon. Yes, I am. What did you say?
Why don't you block us?
I should.
You should. Come on, we've got 4 beautiful girls here. Come on, this is Versace, this is Sybil, that's Pooja. Come, Pooja. That's Pooja, and that's my wife, the most beautiful wife
She
I've ever had.
is. She is.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Jackie.
Jackie.
Yes.
There's Kavita, there's Sybil, that's Versace, there's Pooja, there's Dania. And
It's a
I'm
pleasure
Sunny.
meeting you.
Yeah, it's pleasure. Nigeria.
Yes.
I
How did you know
Of course I know Nigeria.
my accent?
Yeah, your accent. we have Nigerian friends a lot.
Okay. I get that a lot here.
Yeah?
Almost everyone I've talked to has connection with Nigeria.
Nigeria. Come stand, I'll take a picture.
All right.
Come on, Ma.
Say cheers, girl.
Where do I stand? Let's stand here.
You know you have Maggie mee hair.
Yeah, totally.
You have noodles hair.
Yeah.
She likes noodles hair.
They're so pretty. Beautiful family. So you're from here?
Yes, I'm from Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
Came here for a holiday.
Oh, okay, me too.
Yeah.
I came here for holiday, not from here.
Alone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. How's Nigeria?
Awesome.
Also?
Yes.
The politics okay?
Well,
But
it's
the new
okay.
guy won, right?
It's been 2 years
2
since the
years.
new president.
New president, huh? Is he okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
he's
okay.
Good. He's good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then. Take care now.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Beautiful family. Indians are so gorgeous. I was just saying how gorgeous they are. All right, bye. This little India is so gorgeous. Okay, this is the official entrance. Little India. Can you hear some Indian music?
What Walking through Little India feels like being transported to another world. The streets are alive with the sounds of Bollywood hits, golden bangles glimmer under the sun, and rows of spice shops and textile stores line the walkways. This area traces its roots back to the early 19th century when Indian traders and laborers settled in Georgetown. Over time, Little India blossomed into a thriving cultural hub. It's not just a place to shop or eat, it's where temples, tradition, and Tamil heritage comes together in the most vibrant way. Of course, I had to stop to have some Indian food, and I watched locals pick out rich silk fabrics for weddings and festival. It was so beautiful. I particularly love the Indian culture, and I really look forward to visiting India as a country. In this little India right here, you'll find old colonial shop houses and the spirit of resilience wrapped in every street corner. It's an experience for the senses. It's loud, it is joyful, and deeply authentic.
Vegetarian restaurant. Mina Saba. I want to eat. Okay, I think we should eat here. Oh, 2023 also. Let's scan it and see. Michelin.com. Okay. Bite and Eat Dindigo Biryana. All right, let's check them out. Hello. Good afternoon. Where do we sit? Should we sit here? Let us have a quick bite here, then we'll continue exploring this area. So I want to go around to see the street art. So that's what we're going to be doing after now. We'll go look for the street art because that is one of the reasons I came to Penang. So we have to see them. So I got this coconut drink. It's coconut with milk. It had the Michelin star on it. That's why I got it. So just try and see how it is. It is actually a drink, but it's served with a spoon. So let's see. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. That is so good. It tastes so milky. So they cut the coconut and put in it. So you actually be chewing the coconut. Very interesting. It is so good. So good. But let's keep it aside for now. because the meal is here. So I got Chennai chicken, but it's just like the biryani. But in this restaurant, the biryani, they have biryani chicken or chicken biryani. They have chicken biryani and then Chennai chicken, right? So they said that the biryani is tiny rice, while this Chennai is longer grain rice, and I love longer grain rice. So this is basmati rice, but it's just basically the same thing because I've had the biryani before, and it comes with the same thing: the gravy, the salad-looking thing or coleslaw-looking thing, yeah, and boiled egg. Actually, the same thing. But in these restaurants, they just call this one Chennai chicken. So let's see how it's gonna taste. So much curry. Indian food has a lot of spice, and I'm here for it. I love spices. I like natural spices. It's so cool. It tastes so good. So let's enjoy it quickly and then go check out the Penang street art.
Little India left me completely enchanted. It's more than just a neighborhood, it's a heartbeat. A living, breathing story of community, identity, and celebration. If you ever find yourself in Penang, don't skip this treasure trove of culture. I loved every moment of it, and I know you will too. And don't go far, because in the next video, I'll be taking you through another gem of Penang, its world-famous street art scene. From massive murals to hidden alleyway masterpieces, it's going to be a visual feast. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch out for the next video.
This street has some art. There are other tourists here exploring, so I'm going to join them. So we look at this art and then we're going to look for the rest of them. So I thought it was going to be easy to find, but I checked Google and they are just scattered all over the place. So I'm going to use Google Maps to go identify them one after the other. We really need to see those street arts because it's one of the most famous things about Penang. So we have to see it before we go. No matter how long it takes me to go through them, we are going to do it. So let us start from here. So this is one famous one. I really like this one.